Hi guys, this is Atco. Just Saturday, a friend of mine, Eric, and I went up to a antique radio swap. It's a really big show that they have in Kutztown, Pennsylvania, and that's about 2 hours or so to the north of Baltimore. They have this swap twice a year, and this is the spring of the swap. So we thought, let's go check it out. So we did. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to show you some of the tour of what people were selling. And then also after that, they had an auction, and I'm going to show you a little of that. So you might want to check this thing out.
The colorful plastic.
Oh, look at that one particularly. That's beautiful. I got Mike on here. He's got all the knobs that you could ever want.
Almost.
It's really cool.
The tough part of doing this are the uneducated who come to the table and they go, I've got a radio, I don't know what kind it is, but it has brown knobs on it and they're about that big.
Yeah, there's only a couple of those, huh?
I know where those are! Of course!
Somebody. 15, number 88.
Just need some stripper.
What's the number?
17.3. All right, anyway, we'll try on this. How about $50 on this to start it? Okay, not too bad off on this. How about $20 on this? Yeah. 20, I got 25 now. 25, 30 back there. 35? 40? 45?
The battery set, right?
45 you want, we'll break the reserve. Sure? 45. 50? I have 50 back there. You thank you for your help. 50 I got. 55? 50 to number 43.
How it crafters of channel 1.
General Electric television.
General Electric TV. $10 on the TV.
Take a good card.
10 on the TV. 10 on the TV. 5 on the TV. Both hands up there. Now I got $15. I got 3 hands up. All right, $10 now. Who wants to break the tie? I got 3 of you. 10 away in the back. 15 anywhere? 10 in the back. Number mark?
22.
22.
You can just set it down somewhere. It's got all the paperwork with it, including the original
Channel 1.
Original sale, $79.80.
What did they pay for it? No.
1940 is $79.80.
That was a deal at 48.
Right after Christmas, 12/28/49.
There you go, after Christmas sale. Reserve on it?
Reserve. No reserve.
You got the number for stand?
It's 121. Don't know what condition it's in. We didn't have it.
Okay.
You'll see it.
$50 more?
I'm sure I'll.
$50 I got 60.
Yeah.
60 I got 70. 60, 70, 80,
Not too bad.
90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 2 bills. 210. Don't lose them for a dime. Sure?
It's only 200 on eBay.
Okay, I got 200 back there. Yeah, but you have to pay shipping now. 42 for 200.
42?
Yep.
Okay. Care to take the paperwork? Yes.
I'm going to go around the way I'm going to take it back there. 18.3.
Missing a knob is a reserve on it. C1.
60.
There's a question about a reserve on this day. No reserve. Okay, $5 on the RCA. 5 I got 7.5, 10. 12.5, 15. 15, you sure? 12.5 I got 15. 15, 17.5, 20. Yes, no. 17.5 I got once, twice, sold, 27.
Seems cheap. Somebody
Why don't you put that over?
Well, I'll tell you, that auction went on for about 2 hours. And I would say 2/3 of all the things that were sold were antique radios, and that only makes sense because it was an antique radio swap. I didn't think the prices were just all that great. They went anywhere from $20, $30, to the highest one that was sold was $950. Eric picked up a couple that he was looking for, but for me there wasn't anything I particularly wanted. What they did have though as well, other than the 2/3 of auction, the other things they were selling was also they had some TVs and tools and things like that, parts, things like that, and I picked up a few of those. Let me show you what I found. Now this one, I was really happy with this. This is a black and white RCA portable TV. My guess is this came around 63, 64, something like that. And I just really liked the look of it. I've been wanting something in that era to put that in my game room, and it's going to be just perfect. Don't know if it works, probably doesn't, and it doesn't really matter to me. I wanted it for a display. So I'm pretty happy with that. I got that for $5 on the auction. Okay, then also I've got a few electronic testing tools from the 20s, 30s, 40s, and I've got them displayed as well. And I got this on the auction. My guess is this is about in the late 20s, possibly 30s. It's got a amp meter. It's got a watts meter. I think it's really cool. I really like it. And I will add that into my game room. I got that for $5. And finally, I got this as a Panasonic Technics cassette player. This is so similar to my favorite cassette player that I have, except this is actually a Technics instead of a Panasonic, and it's one level newer, so there's a few more options on it than the one I have, and I've loved the one that I've got. So I like the way it looks. Guy said that it works. I haven't tried it, but I believe him, and it's beautiful. I was the only one bidding on it. I bid $5 and I got it. So it was a great day. Had a lot of fun, and looking for the next Hamfest or swap or any of those things coming up through the summer. So this is Atco signing off.